So what we have here is a Kennedy EMW 220 model MIG welder. It looks in reasonably good condition. It's had a different wheel put on to probably its original one. I was told it works, but it needs a gas bowl, which I have on order. So I've got it plugged in. Oh, yeah. Something's happening. Right trigger. No, there's. Oh, that's a spool. So, oh yeah. Look, I'll find out what these are. Oh, that must be a stool. 1/4. Oh yeah. Nice. Oh yeah. Cool. Working all right. So I think what we'll do is we'll cut off here, pull that through, disconnect it from here, and let's see if we can't clean the gun up. Oh. Didn't realise I was going to do that. Let's pull the rest through then. Should be able to pull the rest through, I think. Yeah, let's tidy this up. Put that through there for now. Nice. We'll pull this through. Oh, yeah. Nice. I'm taking the workshop and see if we can clean it up a bit. Okay, we'll start with a gun. I think what we'll do is I think you knock that down. I think the sleeve will come off. We can maybe clean all this up in here. Oh, nice. See if we can get all this cleaned up. So what I got was a CO2 stroke argon mix, and it is this is a 2.2 litre. So I'm hoping it's enough just to try it out. If by any chance it works, then I'll get a much bigger and bigger regulator and everything to go on it. But depending on how long this will last, I mean, this could be just for the amount of welding I'll be doing. It might just do the trick. Let's see what we've got. So, I've got the here now. That's in there. I need what I'll need to do is I'll probably still use this whilst I go into the original pipe that's there, and then we'll clamp it, and it's just really enough to try it out. So I guess we just push this end in here. Oh yeah, that's it in very nicely. It's not to say it's not over tighten it. I don't know what that was. It's coming out the side there. But as soon as I screwed it further down, it stopped. So I've got the bottle strap for now. So what I'll do is snip this off here. I think that should be, might get enough tension on it. Might even get a new one of these if everything goes okay. It's the smallest I've got. Might just be enough to nip it. Let's this in. Go as far as I can in. There, as far as that's for. Hopefully it'll not leak. Yeah, I think that's all right. Yeah, I think that should do. Right, let's see if we can feed this through. Back through. Oh, there we go. That's right. So I've just made up a couple of flat bars there, and I'm going to just put a little tack there. Well, it did weld it. My welder's not brilliant, but it's all welded together. Definitely. Bit more practice. A little bit play around with it. And I think we'll be okay with it. I like it.